Hey everybody, have you seen these? Die-cast Tesla Model X, $35 free shipping worldwide. Looks pretty cool. A great gift idea if you own a Model X for relatives and stuff who you can't afford to buy an actual Model X for. And you know, the best part is it's only $35 and it does ship for free no matter where you're going. I've got a link for this below. It's like the first thing in this video is a link so that you can buy it. So if you buy them, let me know. Actually, I'd be interested if you bought one, what you think of this car. Actually, it looks like you can get multiple colors. There's all the info on it. So, let's see, multiple colors. Let's see, there it is. Check it out. The Falcon wing doors go up. Looks awesome. Let me know if you've ordered one, what you think. If anybody has, you've given this as a gift or something, it seems like an awesome gift for somebody who, like I said, can't afford a Model X. A lot cheaper than the battery-powered kids Model X or Model S. Actually, that's what it is. It's not even an X. And you get Falcon wing doors. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. I look forward to reading your comments about what you think of this product and if you've able to buy it. And again, link is in the description below. First link you see right in the description. Thanks for watching.